Okay, this is just a quick demonstration video just to show you briefly your way around the settings and the setup and the menus on the Hidrex ConnectION. In with your pack, you'll obviously get a control panel and a power pack. And on the back of the control panel, you'll see that there's a cable entry for the power. And then there's two ports on the back for your electrode cables. That's the negative, and the outermost one is the positive. Okay, so the machine is on. The left-hand side of the screen is your time, so you've got 15 minutes on your time. And the right-hand side, which is flashing here, is your voltage, that's your power. 6 volts is the minimum that this machine will run at. That's because this system requires 6 volts just to run all the safety features that you find on this machine, so you won't be able to set it lower than 6 volts. So on the right hand side you've got little LEDs which tell you what state you're in, well, what state the machine's in, actually, not you. So you've got profile 1, profile 2, profile 3. They're basically memory storage points, and the way you access them is by pressing and holding the arrow up button. It's got the word profile underneath it, hopefully you can see that. So if I press and hold this, a couple of seconds you see it go, and it gives you access to scroll through the settings. So you can see as I'm scrolling through, the various different profiles are being selected, and whichever one you want, just say profile 1, if you leave it, the machine will automatically go to treatment mode, but it will use profile 1, and what it will do is it will store the settings, the power that you use within that profile will be stored ready for your next treatment. The other button has obviously got the pulse symbol on it, so you can actually make adjustments, take the machine in and out of pulse current, and then set your variable pulse. So if you press and hold this button, you'll see it'll tell you where you are. N100 is a direct current, so it's 100% efficient, and then you've got the various different strengths of pulse current. So for the hands we recommend P90, which is your strongest sensitive setting. Again, if you leave the machine, it'll automatically go to treatment mode. So that essentially is you ready to go. So the only step left is to put water in your trays, put the electrodes in the trays, and then start the treatment.